Hello, everybody. Today I want to talk about my ThinkPad uh, ThinkPad from Lenovo iCore 7 Lenovo. This is a X260. I just got this laptop, and I noticed that it says battery 100%, battery 2 at 58%. So in other words, there are two batteries on this laptop. And what I'm gonna do today, I wanna find out how to remove, or where's the location of the second battery, because I'm gonna show you where is the first battery, and then we're gonna disassemble to find out the second battery. Thank you. So the first thing we're gonna do uh, to uh, to find out where's the second battery on this Lenovo laptop. These are some of the tools. I like to use one of these cordless screwdrivers because it's only 4 bolts, so it's not gonna damage. But you can also use a precision one because we're gonna need to unbolt some of the screws. And I also like to have a magnet just so I don't lose them. And of course, I have a precision tool just in case I need anything to make it easier. Like for example, also I have some of these trimming tools, the plastic that it's not gonna damage anything. So yeah, have also and don't forget, always have a anti-static wrist, just so you don't damage because we're gonna be touching close to the motherboard, so you don't wanna have any static on you. So let's just start. Number one, we're gonna remove the first battery. To do it, you press right here, and then you pull the first one, slightly press the first tab, and then you remove the second tab, and then the first battery will come out. So now we're going to try to get to the second battery. Also, because I don't have my glasses, I like to wear one of these magnifiers. They're very helpful. They're hands-free. So at this point, with my cordless screwdriver, I already remove all the screws, and um, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the side, from the side, carefully using one of my trims. And as you can see, I just went around the entire laptop carefully. Now the thing will come out. Uh, I still have the screws on, and let's see what we got right here. Okay, so as you can see, this is the second battery. And if you want to remove it, at this point I don't want to remove it, but you can see the other part. This is your Wi-Fi card, this is your little fan. um so easy to get access. Look at the memory. Yeah, I have one memory right here, the little SD card. And again, if you want to remove this battery, then the thing will be, you have two screws right here, three screws, and then you will have to disconnect it. I'm not gonna do it right now because it's 100%. But I just wanted to show you the location of the second battery, and also how easy it is to get access to the motherboard. So thanks for watching.